Why are undersea cable repairs so slow and complex? Imagine a giant network of fiber optic cables lying silently beneath the ocean, connecting continents and keeping the world online. When one of these cables gets damaged, it can cause major disruptions. But fixing them is not as simple as calling a plumber. The process takes time and involves many tricky steps. First, finding the exact spot of damage is a real challenge. These cables stretch thousands of kilometers across the ocean floor and can be buried deep or lie on rocky seabeds. Special equipment like underwater robots and sonar systems are used to detect faults. Once the fault is located, the damaged section often lies at depths of over 2,000 meters. Human divers cannot reach these depths safely, so remote-controlled submersibles or specialized grappling tools are used to lift the cable to the surface. Next comes the repair itself. The damaged part of the cable is carefully brought aboard a repair ship. Inside the ship's clean, controlled environment, engineers splice the fragile fiber optic strands back together. This process requires precision and patience because even tiny mistakes can cause signal loss. After the splice is complete, the cable must be carefully reburied in the seabed, usually about 2 meters deep, to prevent future damage from anchors, fishing nets, or natural events. Getting a repair ship to the site adds to the delay. These ships are expensive to build and operate, and there are only a limited number of them worldwide. Scheduling a ship to reach a remote or politically sensitive area can take days or even weeks. Sometimes, ships have to wait for permits or diplomatic clearance before they can start work. The supply chain for specialized parts like optical repeaters and power equipment can also slow things down. These components are made in different parts of the world and may face delays due to manufacturing or shipping issues. Natural disasters like earthquakes, underwater landslides, or volcanic eruptions can cause sudden and severe damage, making repairs even more complicated. For example, the Tonga volcano eruption in 2020 caused widespread cable disruptions that took weeks to fix. All these factors combine to make undersea cable repairs a slow and complex process. It involves deep-sea operations, precise fiber work, limited vessel availability, bureaucratic delays, and unpredictable ocean conditions. Because of this, restoring internet connectivity after a cable is damaged can take weeks. That's why network providers often build multiple cables with different routes to keep the internet running smoothly even when one cable is out of commission.